Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Tillman, and now it's time for our phonemic awareness, Wilson's. So you should have watched the warm-up video where we do the letters and the sounds and the keywords. Now we're going to tap out a few words by looking at the words. So I'm going to put the words here. There's the beginning, there's the middle, there is the ending. So let's tap that out. Wait, sorry. Ready? At, mat, at, mat. Now let's change the middle sound, beginning letter. My daughter's here making fun of me.
I am too.
And us too.
I will gladly.
At, cat, at, cat. Now let's change the beginning letter. We're going to put B over the C. I'm just going to change the word. Let's tap this out. B, at, bat. B, at, bat. Now, let's change this ending sound here. We're going to change the T, and we're going to cover it with a G. It's going to be a new word. Let's tap that out. B-ag, bag. B-ag, bag. Now, we're going to go to the middle sound, and we'll change the middle sounds. And we will change it from an A to a U. Now, remember, the middle ones are the vowels, so it's going to always be pink here. Let's tap it out. B-ug, bug. B-ug, bug. Okay, we're going to do one more. We're going to change the middle sounds. Now, I can't put any of the yellow because the middle sound is a vowel. I only can do a pink card. So let me try an I. I'm going to change the I. We're going to do B-ig, big. B-ig, big. Very good. Now we're going to try something different. I want you to get a piece of paper and a pencil and come on back. Now make sure you do this because afterwards I'm going to ask you to have your parents take a picture of your paper and send it to me. So I'm going to get a piece of paper and a pencil. And we're going to try something different. I am going to say the word to you and we're not going to see the letters. You're going to tap it out and then you're going to write them on your board. So, for number 1, I want you to write the word map. Let's tap it out together. M-ap, map. M-ap, map. You try to write it on your paper. Map. Now, I'll write it on the board. And you check your work. All right, make sure you make corrections if you were not correct. M-A-P spells map. Okay, for the next word, you are going to write, first you're going to write the number 2, then you're going to put a dot after the 2. And that's where you're going to write the next word. Keep map, and then underneath, you're going to write the word lip. 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 L-I-P, lip. Now you try to write it. L-P, lip. L-I-P. Now check your work. L-I-P spells lip. Very good. Now, underneath that, I want you to write the number 3. Then, I want you to write the word mud. Let's tap it out. M-U-D. Mud. M-U-D. Mud. Okay, here's the word mud. M-U-D. Check your work. Make sure you make corrections. If you did it wrong, it's okay. Just correct your work. Okay, now, after you're done writing mud, I want you to write the number 4. Then, I'm going to ask you to write the word nap. Sound it out. N-A-P. Nap. N-A-P. Nap. You try to write it. Okay, here's mine. Make sure you wrote it correctly. If you didn't, that's okay. Just make the corrections now. Nap. N-A-P. Okay, for our last and final one, number 5, you're going to write a 5 and then a period, and right after that, you are going to write the word sat. Stretch it out. Let's tap it out. S-at. Sat. S-at. Sat. S-at. Okay, boys and girls, here's the word. Check your work. Erase it if you made a mistake, and make the corrections. Okay, boys and girls, I would love to see your work. Please have Mommy and Daddy take a picture of your 5 words you wrote and send it to me so I can see how you did. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye.